You're right, I did fuck up the neighborhood, bro. I spit on every block. Reapers, what is good? It's your boy Laser. Using the vibes, we're back with another scary reaction video. You love this scary content, so I continue to deliver that for you guys. This reaction to Ring doorbell footage that's sure to keep you up at night. Guys, I'm always up at night. If you guys enjoy scary content and more scary videos like features, please hit the like button. You subscribe and you turn noise on to us. I'll stream every night on Twitch, regular chat streams. Let's dive straight into this video. Creepy Chronicles. Oh shit.
In this first chilling Ring doorbell clip, in a quiet neighborhood, a lone man's peaceful evening takes a terrifying turn.
Oh shit. Oh, they're checking his pants, bro. They're gonna dig in his duty hole, bro. His dookie hole. Digging for some diamonds, I see.
Passes by, he becomes the target of a group of ruthless individuals
determined
to rob him of his belongings and unleash a brutal assault.
Man, what the fuck? They just attacked my boy for nothing. Damn, bro, what did he do to y'all? Damn, bro, they really want his... They were digging his ass crack for some forbidden chocolate, bro. Oh, shit. Is that boy good, bro? Yo, I'm actually worried, bro. Damn, that lady handled it well. Holy shit, bro. That's fucking scary as shit.
I don't know. I can see the car take off. 5 guys.
What the fuck, bro? Is he alive? Damn, bro. What do you have on him? That's scary as fuck, bro. No, some people actually do get jumped like that, bro. But the difference is some don't make it out alive. I don't know if this guy's still alive. Holy shit. Oh, fuck, man.
I think we're doing it already.
Oh, shit. Damn, bro. Poor dude, man. Poor fucking guy.
In this scary Ring doorbell clip, a seemingly routine moment turns into a heart-pounding encounter as a lady steps out of her house to ensure her car is securely locked. Little did she know that danger lurked just steps away. As she makes her way back inside, a man suddenly emerges, armed with a menacing tool, and launches a brazen attack.
What the fuck?
Shockingly, he targets the lady, striking her with the harmful weapon.
Oh shit. What's going on, man? Oh shit. Yo. Bro, what the fuck? Oh shit, Wrinkly Man's mad here. He's got a stick, don't fuck with him. Bro, looks like he just got out of like a fucking ancient tribe, bro. I mean shit, his skin literally looks like it's gonna shrivel up, bro. I guarantee that dick is shriveling up like fucking sand, bro. I'm surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if there's anything like not even left in there, bro. Look at him, bro. Look at his mouth. Come on, can't even see him. Look at him, bro. Bro looks like the fucking I don't even know. Bro reminds me of those like GTA NPCs, bro, and like the fucking where Trevor lives or whatever. I forgot the name of the city, but you know what I'm talking about?
In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, two audacious individuals caught on camera, making their move to access someone's porch with ill intentions. Their target? A package left innocently outside the house.
Yo, what's going on? Hey, buddy. Dude, this music goes hard, bro.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man strolling up to someone's front door, seemingly with a mission in mind. However, what transpires is anything but expected. Instead of a traditional doorbell ring or any suspicious activity,
bro, what the fuck? Is he good? On. Look at him, bro. Look at his teeth. Motherfucker literally looks like he's showering his way out, bro. Oh, my mouth. Oh, no. What am I gonna bite on penises with now, bro? Oh, no. Bro looks like the fucking Hulk, but, like, if he was, like, on crack, bro. I don't even think he's on crack. I think that's some heroin type of shit, bro. Brother looks like he's literally about to summon a fucking thunderstorm, bro. He's about to, like, take in all the lightning, bro. And he's about to fucking...
Simply presses the doorbell and lets out a big yawn.
Damn, I hate when they put it on the left side, bro, because that's where my fucking, screen is. I'll move so you guys can see. You good, buddy? Oh! Meow! I shit your pants. I'll shit in your pants. Can you open your pants and I'll shit in them, bro? We can wear the same pants, 2 in 1. It'll be a very stinky mess after.
In this chilling Ring doorbell footage, a lady approached someone's porch with an air of caution. Her actions are anything but ordinary, as she surveys the porch with a watchful eye, taking in every detail.
Oh shit. Yo, what's going on? Damn, she just touched the package and dipped, bro. Dipped like that, huh?
In this concerning Ring doorbell clip, a lady caught on camera taking an unauthorized stroll onto someone's porch with a clear purpose in mind, searching for valuables.
Have I seen this before? I think I've already seen this. She fine as fuck. I'm not gonna say anything. I don't know how old she is. I can't tell from the quality. Babe. She can enter my house at any time, bro. What was she even trying to do? Steal something? Oh damn, bro. So she's with someone, bro.
In this nail-biting Ring doorbell clip, under the cover of darkness, 2 individuals are caught on camera attempting to gain unauthorized access to someone's yard, with the ominous intent of breaking in.
Yo, what?
However, their plans take an unexpected turn when they spot the vigilant gaze of a security camera.
Bro, what? What's going on, man? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, stop going around the camera. I want to see your pretty faces. Just dips like that, huh?
In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, under the cover of darkness, 2 masked figures, armed with fire torches, approach a residence with ominous intent. They boldly knock on the door, waiting for the owner to answer. However, as tension mounts, one of them glances toward the security camera positioned outside, realizing that their every move is being closely monitored.
Oh yeah, monitored, huh? Monitored, huh?
Hey, motherfucker. Better stay out of this fucking neighborhood, motherfucker. I don't like you around here.
Oh, they live around here, bro. Hey. Look what weapons they have on them, bro. They look like safe gentlemen. I totally would trust them with my infant that's not even born out of my stomach yet. They could rip open my stomach, though. No problem.
We seen your black ass get out of your car earlier, motherfucker.
Oh shit, bro.
Alright.
They talking to me?
You guys are gonna fucking decrease the value of the
Hey,
neighborhood,
fuck
you
you,
little black
bitch.
motherfuckers.
Shut your bitch ass
Fuck out
up.
the neighborhood.
Oh, fuck you. You're right. I did fuck up the neighborhood, bro. I spit on every block. Fuck you, bitch. That's right. Get off my block. Pussy.
In this dramatic Ring doorbell clip, in the dead of night, a man is caught on camera as he brazenly gains unauthorized access to someone's property. However, before he can proceed further with his questionable intentions, the vigilant house owner intervenes, ready to protect their home and security.
You know what's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? Fuck. Yo, what's going on, bro? I don't even know what's going on.
Get out of my
You say you're not my dad, bro? It sounded like you said you're not my dad.
Turn the siren on. Come on.
What's going on?
In this captivating Ring doorbell clip, under the cover of darkness, two masked individuals are captured on
That motherfucker has a Bape shirt, bro. In 2023. Well, I don't even know if this is 2023, but is it?
camera as they
It is
attempt to gain
2023.
unauthorized access to a vehicle parked in front of someone's
Bape
house.
fell off so hard, man.
Their intentions are clear as they start their illicit mission. However, just when it seems they might succeed, the vehicle's alarm system springs to life, shattering the silence of the night.
Ooh, huh? Really? Oh shit. Alright, he's texting on his phone, bro. Looking in the car, I see. Yo, what's about to happen? Was they trying to like get like the front open? Are they trying to like hot wire or some shit like that? All motherfuckers should set up the alarm like a dumbass. Idiots, bro. What do they expect? And they're gone, bro. They dipped it in a heartbeat, man.
In this dramatic Ring doorbell clip, in the midst of a dark and inebriated night, a seemingly lost and intoxicated man stumbles onto someone's property. However, his adventure takes an unexpected turn when he hears a voice, alerting him that he's being recorded.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Hi. You are currently being recorded. Bro, what do you say? You say you want to fucking die? Damn. Chill, bro. Chill.
In this suspenseful Ring doorbell clip, under the cover of darkness, a man is caught on camera
Oh,
as
he's
he
sneaky
attempts
with
to
it,
break
bro.
into someone's house.
That boy's sneaky
His
with it.
intentions are far from noble, and he makes a bold move towards the entrance. However, little does he know that the vigilant homeowner has properly secured their door. In this revealing Ring doorbell clip, in the darkness of night, a man is captured on camera as he seizes the opportunity to steal a valuable item left outside someone's front door.
Fuck you, bitch.
With a stealthy approach, he brazenly snatches the prized possession, unaware that his actions have been recorded. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, under the shroud of night, a mysterious lady is captured on camera as she ventures to someone's front door.
Oh.
Her actions are anything
Babe, get that trash bag off your bitch ass here.
but ordinary as she presses the doorbell and patiently waits.
Patient wait for
However,
what?
her behavior takes an unusual turn as she moves about the area, appearing suspicious and restless. Ultimately, she decides to leave without further explanation.
Oh, babe. They say your condom's not fully over your head. What's she even looking for, bro?
In this unsettling Ring doorbell clip, under the cover of night, a man is silently captured on camera as he seizes someone's belongings left outside their house. With stealth and calculated movements, he brazenly takes a valuable chair, making off with it without making a sound. His audacity doesn't end there. He proceeds to search for more items, suggesting that this may not be his first such endeavor.
Wait, what's going on, bro? They dipped? Wait, what's going on? I don't know what's going on, man.
In this concerning Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured on camera at the doorstep of someone's home, his actions shrouded in suspicion as he meticulously searches for
Did they just say him? The narrator just did him wrong, bro. I mean, she wrong. Or he, she.
items in the safe box placed outside the house.
That's a he, alright. Wait, is that a girl? I don't even know. Oh, that's a girl, alright. Narrator did it wrong, bro. Oh, you dropped down, huh? Damn, it's crazy. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guys, those videos were absolutely scary as fuck. If you guys enjoyed scary content or scary videos like feature, you guys know what to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.